Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I do apologize for being quiet over the past few days. I've been up and down business wise, but anyway, I am back. So to kick off things, this video is a request. I can't remember the person, but on a previous video where we were showing how to use FXDREEMA to turn your strategy into an automated trading system, Forex robot, Forex EA, whatever you call it. They requested that we show how you can turn the alligator strategy. I think that's what it's called, alligator strategy or indicator into an automated trading system, Forex robot, Forex EA. And we're going to use FXDREEMA. It's a free to use EA builder. If you're going to use it to program EA's Forex robots for MetaTrader 4, if you're going to use it for MetaTrader 5, you just need to pay a little something. But anyway, you can always recover that money if your strategy and your robot is making you money, or if you decide to sell your robot to your friends and family and stuff. So it's a small amount that you can easily recover. That's if you want to make a robot for MT5. So we are going to use the free version for MT4. So I I honestly I've never used this alligator strategy. So uh, anyway, I thought let's just take on the challenge and see if we can turn it into an automated trading system. So if I make some mistakes or if I don't understand how exactly this strategy works, forgive me because I've never really used it myself. So I basically went to Baby Pips of all places, Baby Pips, to try and understand this alligator trading strategy. So this is some of things that I basically just learned. Basically, it uses about three lines. One is called the jaw, the other is called the teeth, and the other is the lips. And it seems from also from my research online, the blue line is called the alligator jaw, and the red line, this one. So the blue line is the alligator jaw, and the red line is the teeth, and the green one is the lips. I don't know, it doesn't give me a picture of an alligator, but well, if it works, it works. So this is a chart basically demonstrating how it would work. Again, correct me if I'm wrong, but basically I assume that from what I saw online, once this happens, people are waiting for this to happen when the blue line, again, what's the blue line? It's the jaw. When the jaw goes below the teeth and the lips, then people are looking for buys. Then jaw, when the jaw goes above the teeth and the lips, then people are what? Are looking for sales. So from what I could easily see from this, because you want to sort of have a mechanical process when you're making these automated trading systems and robots. So from what I could pick from this is the lines to really watch is the jaw and the lips. That's the green. That's the green, and the blue is basically the jaw. Yeah. So in that sense, it will be like almost the familiar moving average cross that we normally use. So how do we turn this into an automated trading system? I'm going to give it a go. So these are the default parameters. These are the default parameters according to Baby Pips. Um, So you have 13 period for the jaw, 8 period for the teeth, 5 for the lips. Again, what's the lips? The lips is the green. The lips is the green, and the blue is the jaw. Yes, the blue is the jaw. The lips is the teeth. Then there is some shift in there. Okay, so we are basically going to use these default parameters and turn it into an automated trading robot. So let's give it a try. Let's give it a go and see what happens. So we go back to FXDREEMA. Again, if it's your first time on FXDREEMA and you've never used it before, there might be some junk stuff here. You can easily just highlight everything and you right click and you delete. Then we start together on a empty space. So what we want to do is we want to come to this section where it says condition and formula, condition and formula. And what we want to, forgive me, first of all, we want to come here. We start with checking the bars because we want only one condition, one signal per bar, like I previously explained in the other videos. Watch those videos after finishing watching this one. What we want to look for is one signal per single bar. We don't want to look for continuous signals on every bar in case the robot starts opening 100 trades on a single bar. If that's your intention, well, good for you, but that's a recipe for disaster usually. But anyway, so we want this to happen once per bar, and we close that. Double click. There is really nothing that you want to change in here unless you want to set a forex pair that you specifically want this robot to trade, or this space. Basically ignore this. Just put this block in and just leave it there. Then we come to conditions. Then we are going to pick the first block. Now we are going to determine our buy condition, and we're just going to link the two there, and we're going to double click, and we're going to go in there. By default, it's going to be on indicator, so we are going to choose our alligator indicator. That's what we are going to use, and again the alligator indicator that side. So where is our baby pips? So it needs to be 13, 8, 5. The shift will be for the jaw, it's going to be 8. Shift for the teeth is going to be 5. Shift for the lips is going to be 3. Let's see. Seems like that's the default that's on here as well. It looks like that's the default that's here on FXDREEMA as well. Yes, seems like that's the default. So basically, you can leave the default, or you can easily change, just tick these boxes, so that if you decide to change any of these inputs, you can do that on MetaTrader 4 side without coming back to MetaTrader to FXDREEMA to change it again. So here you can change the moving average method. Basically, like I said at the beginning of the video, I understood it as moving averages, but anyway, maybe I'm wrong. You can correct me in the comment section below. So you can basically choose what type of moving average you want to use. You can tick there if you want to change anything in MetaTrader 4 side without coming back here. So now we want our jaw, this jaw line, the blue line, to be below our green line, the lips, in order for a buy. So we come back here. So we've got our jaw. Now we want it to be below our, basically we're just keeping everything there. You can just tick it everything if you want to change it on MetaTrader 5, on MetaTrader 4, sorry, on MetaTrader 4 without coming back to FXDREEMA. Now we want the jaw to be below. This is below the lips, the green line. That's basically what I understood here. That's what I understood there. When it's below, when the getter jaw is below the lips, we are buying. So we update, and after that we come to our section there for the buy and sell, and we get our buy block there, and double click. We can now tell it out by how much the lot sizing that we wanted to buy by 0.0 or 0.1 or whatever you wanted to enter the trades by in lot size. Here you can set what your stop loss, maybe let's just say 30 pips. We can just tick that so that we are able to change it on MetaTrader 4 side. I think that's that, and we update. Another thing that I love to do basically is we come this side, not there. Forgive me, I'm forgetting what I'm doing here. I'm looking for a block to close any prior. I've been away, now I'll come back. I've forgotten everything. Okay, so we just want this block that says close trades. So we're just going to link that with that. So what we want is before it places this buy, we want our robot to check for filter by type. We want it to check for sales and close those ones. We want it to close any open sales and close them before it opens a buy, or as soon as it opens a buy, we want it to close any sales that might be open. We don't want to open buys and sells at the same time. So that's basically about it. And again, we come back here, we place condition for the sell trades, and we look for alligator indicator. Again, we are using the defaults. We just tick that in case we change our minds on the default settings and we want to change them on MetaTrader 4 side. Okay, so now for the sales, let's go back to baby pips. So this is a sell condition. The jaw, that's the blue line, needs to be above the lip, which is the green line, for a sell. So for our sell condition, the jaw is going to be above the lips, and we update, and again we come here and we take our sell now block and we just link the two together. We double click and we just tick there and we change this to 30 pips stop loss, and we just tick there and we just tick there and we update, and we again look for our close trades. Sorry about that. And we link them together, and here we want to close any buys that will be open. We want them to be closed as soon as the sell trade is open or before a sell trade is opened, close any buys. And that's about it. That's about it. That's how you would make your alligator a strategy trading robot for free. No coding skills needed here. You can experiment with various other blocks here for trailing stop and stuff like that. But otherwise, if you're going to use FXDREEMA for free, you need to keep the number of blocks that you are using below 10, even on MetaTrader 4. So we have 7 blocks there. We are still fine. So then we come here, we name our robot. What do we call it? Data power. Give it a fancy name, data power. If you think it's not fancy enough, well, you can put whatever name that you want there. And here you can download the source code. Just click on there. That's the source code. And here you can download the executable file that you can share with friends and family if you hate people giving people your source code. Then we'll test this in the coming video. Otherwise, I believe that's how you would turn the alligator indicator strategy into an automated trading robot. I hope this helps you. Leave your comments in the comment section below. If you have requests, if you have ideas that you want us to turn into Forex robots, like this video, subscribe on this channel. If you're looking to download other Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that, there are also links in the description box below. Many people ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. I think they are the best Forex broker for using trading robots. You can start testing your robots with an account, a live account for just $5. So you can start testing your robots without putting too much money on the line. People love playing in demo, but well, I prefer testing my things in live market conditions. So just $5, you can start testing your robots without risking too much. Okay, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.